Hello! If you want to use an external transmitter module with ELRS Buddy, there is some crucial information you need to know. I'm going to work backwards now, so you can stop watching when you have enough to continue on your mission. For the best understanding, I suggest staying until the end. Put your transmitter module into Wi-Fi mode and open its web UI in a browser. Edit the URL to access hardware.html. Look for the CRSF serial pins and change the RX pin to 3 and the TX pin to 1. Scroll to the bottom and hit save. For most modules, this change will now allow you to use it with ELRS Buddy. What you just did is changed Express LRS's crossfire interface to use UART 0, which is the UART that is wired to the module's USB port. This is true for modules that use the ESP32 or ESP8285 platform, which is most modules. The numbers 1 and 3 are the platform's GPIO numbers for UART 0, 1 for transmit, 3 for receive. You can check your module's platform by browsing to the Express LRS GitHub page. Open the repository called targets, and then open the targets.json file. Search for your module. For example, here is mine. Look for the platform attribute. Its value will tell you your module's platform. The ESP32 and ESP8285 platforms should all use the same GPIO 1 and 3 for UART 0. To illustrate, here is my module. By default, the Crossfire interface uses this port, which is the port that connects to your handset. The USB port is only used for firmware upgrades and debugging. When you change the CRSF serial pins, it moves the Crossfire interface to the USB port. However, you might have guessed that this change also causes the module to stop working with a handset. You can fix that in the hardware.html page by clicking the reset link. The CRSF serial pins should revert back to the factory default.